Struggling to see your sheet music clearly while playing? Here are the 5 best piano lamps I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Vecchia 64 LED Music Stand Light. Let's kick things off with the Vecchia 64 LED Rechargeable Music Stand Light. Priced at just $22.49, this clip-on lamp drew my attention with its innovative swing-open design and 15 brightness modes. If you want customizable lighting for your performances, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This lamp features a patented 180 degrees scissor-style design, allowing it to illuminate your entire sheet music without straining your eyes. The 5 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures ensure you can adjust the light to your liking, whether you're in a dimly lit concert hall or a cozy practice room. Plus, with over 1,000 of these lamps sold in the past month, there's clearly a demand for a solution that caters to musicians. Now, some people complained about the charging time. Here's the thing though, with a 4,000 milliamp battery that lasts up to 140 hours on a low setting, you'll hardly find yourself charging it often. It's a small trade-off for such a long-lasting companion. This is perfect for you if you love playing in various settings and need something portable. Skip this one if you prefer a stationary lamp setup on your piano, but it offers fantastic value for the price. Now, if the Vecchia's charging concerns bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. The Glucoscent Super Bright Eye-Caring Music Stand Light, retailing at $24.99. This lamp immediately caught my eye with its impressive 57 LEDs and 3 color options. If you need a lamp that prioritizes eye comfort while giving you bright illumination, you'll want to hear more about this. Why is this important? Well, the 57 LEDs are strategically placed on an 11-inch light bar, providing a wider coverage area that lights up all your sheet music clearly, including those pesky page edges. It also has a unique amber mode, reducing eye strain during late-night practices, which is a game changer for many musicians. Plus, with a 4,000 mAh battery, you can enjoy between 14 to 140 hours of use, making it incredibly convenient. However, some users mentioned that the clip can be a bit tricky to attach securely. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're constantly moving between practice spaces, this could be a minor inconvenience. Yet, for most, the sturdy design and flexibility more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you play often in different environments and need a reliable source of light. But skip this one if you want something that stays in one spot permanently. It's a great price for the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more stationary setup. Product number 3, Vecchia Professional 88 LED Light. We have the Vecchia Professional 88 LED Rechargeable Music Stand Light, priced at $25.99. Its sleek design and eye protective features really grabbed my attention. If you're looking for a top-notch lamp that blends performance with health benefits, this will be a solid pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Equipped with advanced SMD LED technology, this lamp offers multiple color temperatures and brightness levels tailored to protect your eyes, especially during those late-night sessions. It has a comfortable color rendering index, so your music will look as good as it sounds. With over 600 units sold last month, it's clearly making an impact. But I did notice some users felt it could be a little bulky for travel. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly using it at home or in fixed locations, that added stability and performance are worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your piano practice and want a lamp that keeps your eyes comfortable. Skip this one if portability is your main concern, but it's a great investment for anyone serious about their craft. Now, if you want something with even more flexibility, the next product might just surprise you.
Product number 4, Tony Est Upgraded LED Piano Lamp. We have the Tony Est Upgraded LED Piano Lamp, which is priced at $39.59. I was impressed by its adjustable gooseneck and auto off timer. If you want a lamp that combines flexibility with modern features, you should definitely check this out. This lamp boasts 84 ultra-bright LED beads that are designed to illuminate not just your sheet music, but also the entire keyboard area. The 22.83-inch adjustable gooseneck allows you to direct light exactly where you need it, which is a game changer for larger pianos. Plus, it includes 2 charging ports, so you can charge multiple devices without hunting for outlets. However, some people mentioned that it can be a bit heavy for portable use. Now, here's the thing. If you're looking for a lamp that stays in one spot and provides thorough illumination, the weight might not be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your piano and other tasks. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for transport, but considering its features, the price is justified. Lastly, if this lamp's weight isn't what you're looking for, the final product might suit your needs a little better.
Product number 5, the Cowlsue Desk Lamp. We have the Cowlsue Desk Lamp, priced at $27.99. This lamp stands out with its touch control and ultra-wide lighting. If you're after an affordable, versatile option for multiple uses, this might be right up your alley. What makes this lamp great is its 5 dimmable options and color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 6500K. It uses 120 high-quality LED beads to fill your workspace with light, which is particularly useful if you're also studying or crafting. The 360-degree flexible gooseneck means you can adjust the light exactly where you need it without any glare. However, some users pointed out that the touch control can be overly sensitive at times. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it's not a deal breaker and you'll likely adapt quickly. The lamp's versatility and eye care features make it a solid choice for many. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose lamp that can handle various tasks, but skip this if you want a lamp specifically designed just for piano use. For the price, it offers a lot of features that justify the purchase. To sum it all up, we explored some fantastic options for piano lamps. The Vecchia 64 LED is great for portable use, while the Glocascent offers excellent eye care. The Vecchia Professional focuses on performance and comfort, the Pianist is flexible for various setups, and the Cowlsue is a versatile, multi-purpose lamp.